to another video. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista. So as you can tell in the title of this video, I am doing my first unboxing. And this was a birthday present purchase to myself. Happy 34th birthday to me. Taurus season, let's get it. And my beautiful roses, as well as the box that it came in, was delivered to me for my birthday from my boyfriend and our daughter. So let's get started. So this is my first big purchase for 2020. And in the box, this came in a regular brown box with no affiliation to Gucci at all. Sent me a shopping bag. They sent a letter here. Let's see what's in there. It's probably just like the return information. A label for return. Just the directions regarding my recent purchase and what are the steps I need to take for returns or exchange. On some very nice paper, by the way. A thank you card, and of course saying shop with us again. And a little note that says, happy 34th birthday to me. I deserve it. Yep, I wonder who wrote that. So we're gonna put that to the side. And we are going to get started. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this beautiful box. I don't even wanna mess up the bow, it's so pretty. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox. Such a nice tie. Oh, it's so perfect. Okay. Is it a flap or is it a push out? Oh, so pretty. Ugh. Ooh. It comes, of course, in a satin bag. So pretty. Can you imagine if it was the wrong bag they sent me? That wouldn't be funny. It wouldn't. Oh my gosh. I'm getting there, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see. She's so pretty. Oh, they wrapped this thing up, honey. Oh yeah. So the strap. Let's see. Oh my God, they put foam pad thing. And I literally got this bag in like 3 days. I didn't expect it to come in time for my birthday, actually. Isn't she lovely? Okay. She is so lovely. Okay, so let me get rid of the box. Yep. So the bag comes like this, and this is the, I don't remember. I really don't remember what bag this is. But here, I have to go ahead and adjust. Okay, so it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different adjustments to adjust the strap to your liking. So I'm probably gonna put it at the top one. Like that. Oh, she's so pretty. So I had to get a better angle for you, and it's easier for me to record. So this is the small Marmont. Baby's over there trying to tell me how to pronounce it. Okay, Matelasse. It don't sound right. That's what he said. Yes, it is. But yes, this is my new baby, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so you can see where it reaches me. But let's open it and let's see. It smells so good. It's so pretty. I am super happy. The red is not too bright, but not too dark. Girl. Look at that detail. So pretty. I love the gold because my Yves Saint Laurent bag is silver hardware. So I was really amped to get the gold hardware. It's just literally one compartment because, as I said, I needed a small, and then it has like the little compartment here with, ooh, let's see, what's this? Oh, I guess the leather that the bag is made from. Okay. All right, I believe that is leather now. And just the information of the responsibility, the Gucci responsibility. So this is my new baby. I didn't name her yet, but it is so beautiful. And I absolutely love it. I cannot wait. Let me just test it out with my phone in there and be like, bag. I just wanted to show you where it reaches me. I'm 5'4", and I put it at the highest level here. And this is where it reaches me here. More than likely, I will probably wear it this way majority of the time, because as I said, I wanted an everyday bag. Not every day, but majority of my bags are like at least this big, nothing lightweight, and it's so heavy. With the bigger my bag, the more I usually put in it, and I think that's every woman's problem. So I just wanted something lightweight that I can just put my phone, my charger, you know, a mirror, and my keys, and just keep it simple, running in and out. So this is the bag, crossbody, and I am super excited. You could probably even wear it on this side if you don't want to put the gold and just want the accent. Either way, either side, baby, you know what I'm saying? But I absolutely love the color, and it is so out of, this is the only colored bag that I have right now, so I'm really amped for that. But she's beautiful, isn't she? Here's the hardware. The leather smells so good, guys. So good. Really cute, y'all. This is my birthday gift to myself, and I'm super excited. Happy 34th birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Hey, video. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching my first unboxing, and welcome little mama to the family. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Bye guys, see you soon. Peace.